In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use shortcuts on iPad to change app icons. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A neat feature of the Shortcuts app available for a standard iPhone or an iPad is that you can make custom shortcuts with different icons, and you can associate them to specific applications. So let's say, for example, you are using X and you want to change it to the old logo of Twitter. You can do it using the Shortcuts app. So open the app and go to the option to create a new shortcut. So it is either going to be over here on the main menu, or it's going to be a plus sign at the top. When you choose the option to create a new shortcut, one of the functions will be scripting. So you can either choose scripting, and once you select it here, you will find open app. So this is the function that we want to use. So the first thing that will happen is that an app is going to be opened when you tap on this shortcut. So you can associate the app at the left side of the screen here, and once the app has been associated, tap on these three dots at the right side of this new shortcut that you are creating. So when you tap on the three dots, you will find Choose icon available here. By selecting this option, you can choose from the files available in the iPhone's storage, you can choose from the Photos app, and so on. So you can associate a custom icon. You can create your own custom icons if you are going for a full customized look on your iPad, or you can choose from your photos and attach whatever you wish to this icon. And when you add this shortcut to your home screen, it is going to open the application that you associated with it. So let's say, for example, you're going to scripting, you choose the option to open an app, and then you select the X app, which most people still call Twitter. What you can do afterwards is to tap on the three dots, select the option to choose the icon, and then you upload a Twitter image. And by using the old Twitter logo, you now have a shortcut that opens the X application, but it will have a custom name, description, and of course the icon. I hope I was able to help you on how to use shortcuts on iPad to change app icons. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.